Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve coding question which gives the output whether the given string is palindrome or not. Let's see the problem description. Create a function palindrome list that takes a list of strings as an argument. Returns the list of strings which are only palindromic strings. Let's see the sample input. They given three strings: Malayalam, radar, Bhushan. Here we need to output the strings which are palindrome. The palindrome are nothing but the first letter and the last letter should be same, and the first second letter and the last second letter should be equal, and the first third last third and first fourth last fourth. In the same way it should be same for an entire string. Here Malayalam we can see the starting letter M and the ending letter M, and the second starting letter and the second first and the second last letter is same. First third and third last letter is same. The fourth letter from the first and the fourth letter from the last letter is same. So Malayalam is a palindromic string. Let's see how our code looks like. Let's write a definition, a method which checks whether the particular string is palindrome or not. So we are creating palindrome list. This function takes a list as an argument. Next we are creating an empty list for I in L j is equals to I dot lower. Here we are converting the string into lowercase alphabet. If j is equals to j colon minus 1, that is we are reversing the string. Res dot append of I, return res. Now we are writing main method. First we need to take the number of strings. Execution start from the main method. So input underscore list is an empty list for I in range of count input underscore list dot append of input. Next result is equals to list. That's all we need to print for I in result print of I. Let's see our code. Here we need to print the palindrome. Here the count takes the number of strings, and int of list is an empty list which takes the strings which are given by the input user to the in the console. For I in range of count, using for loop iterating through the number of strings. Input list dot append of input, the string which is given by the user is appended to the input list. Next we need to find the palindromes in the input list. So we are passing that list through the palindromic list method. So here L is a list which consists of strings. We need to return the number of palindromic strings or the list which contains all the palindromic strings. Here we are creating an empty list. For I in L, we are getting each and every string from the list L. We are converting into the lowercase. Next, if j is equals to j of colon square brackets colon minus 1, this method reverses the string. Here the palindrome is a string which the string is equal to the reverses of the same string. So we are reversing the string and checking whether it is equal to the same string or not. Hence, if it is equal, then res dot append of I. The particular string is a palindrome and it is appended to the list res. After entire iteration of the list L, we are returning the list of strings. Hence, we are getting that list of strings in the result variable, printing one by one using this for loop. Let's see our output. Let's paste the input. I think we actually get our code. Let's run again. See, here this is the input we given, 3 Malayalam radar Bhushan, and the output we get is Malayalam radar. That's all in this video. For the code, I am attaching it in the description below. You can refer it if there are any doubts. Thank you.